I've been wanting this camera for so long. I can't believe I finally got it in my hands. Hey, welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber. But if you're new, I'm Lex. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that and follow me on Instagram. I literally want to jump straight into the video because I'm really excited. So without further ado, I don't even want to waste no more time. Okay, so if y'all can tell by the title, then y'all know I finally got the camera I've been wanting for a long time. This is one of my dream cameras. I finally got my hands on the Canon G7X Mark II, and I've been wanting this camera for a while. This was actually the first camera I wanted for YouTube, and I ended up getting the Canon EOS Rebel T6, and that lasted me a whole year. I just sold it like last week, so it was a bittersweet moment because that camera has held me down for a year straight. If you want to know more about all about the Canon EOS Rebel T6, then check out my channel. I have 2 in-depth videos about it, so I'll leave the link to both of those videos in the description box. But you guys want to see this unboxing, so let's get into it. Okay, so here's the camera. I actually did have to open up the box to get the charger out and the battery so that I can charge it, so that I would be able to show you what the quality looks like. But if you can tell, I didn't actually open the camera, and the stuff that I got with it, like the bundle stuff that I got with it, I didn't open none of that. I literally just wanted to get the charger and the battery out so that I can show you what the quality looks like I just said. But okay, let me show you what came with this little bundle, and I'm gonna tell you where I got it from and the price and all of that. Of course, I got the battery and the charger. You have to plug it in the wall to charge it, which it sucks a little bit because with my old Canon camera, it had like the little outlet piece on the back and I could just stick it straight in the wall. But I mean, it comes with this little piece. I just better not lose it because I don't think I have anything else that would fit this. So I like that this says to charge and it'll light up green when it's full. It actually wasn't even done. I let it charge for a whole hour. I think it needs 2 to 3 hours, but I felt like an hour was good enough to show y'all enough what it would look like on. So this is a bundle kit, so it came with this little mini tripod, which I'm excited because now I feel like I can do more vlogs. And this camera is not bulky, so it won't be heavy to hold up. I don't know what this is. When I seen it in the little bundle kit, I honestly don't know what it is. By the way, I got this bundle from Walmart. I ordered it online. It also came with, what is this? It said it's a blower. What am I blowing? Wow, I don't know what nothing is. And it came with this lens and screen cleaning kit. I really love this because I know I'll need to clean my lens and I don't like wiping it with tissue. They also came with, I think this is if you don't have a port on your laptop where you could just straight stick the SD card in. So you put it, I think you put it in here and then stick this part in it like a USB cable. And what is this? Alpine. Wow, I ordered a whole bundle and don't know what nothing is. Wow. I love that it came with a little case for me to put my camera in because my last camera, I definitely never got one. It's not gonna be able to probably fit all of this stuff in there, especially not the tripod, but I just wanted a case for my camera. And it came with 2 SD cards. One is 16 gigabytes and one is 8 gigabytes. And I have another 16 one upstairs, so I'm happy about that. Now let's get into the actual camera because I didn't take this out the box, so I've been wanting this camera for so long. I can't believe I finally got it in my hands. It's a little heavier than I expected, but it's not heavy at all. I'm shocked. I'm shook that I really got this camera. Like, when I say manifestation is real, I swore to myself that I was gonna get this camera, and I wanna cry, like, because this is one of my dream cameras. Manifestation is so real. I wanna say this camera was $480 something, but with tax and everything, it was $527. And I remember the specific number because it tried to charge my card 3 times. I don't know who y'all think got all that type of money. $1,500, basically. They had me stressed, but I was able to work that out. I can't even get this key card out. Jeez. Okay. So I'm gonna set the date and time really quick. I don't know how to work this at all. I don't even know which dial is recording. What? This is the part that I was so pressed to get so I could see myself when I'm recording instead of having to connect it to my actual laptop. And I like that it can flip down too. So that's nice. But right now I'm trying to figure out how to get it to recording. I love that it's touchscreen, but I don't know how to do anything. Oh, that's a picture. That's what no flash on. I think I should turn the flash on. Let's turn the flash on. I'm scared. Do I got any flashback? Because beep. What? Oh, that's how you turn the flash on. You just hit that little button. That was not no flash. Okay, so what I just found out is this is the record button. I had turned on record, and you already know I'm gonna flip this bad boy out because I need to see what I'm looking at. I know that the sound quality sounds mad different, but I love how lightweight it is. I'm not tired holding it up yet. I got it on the mini tripod. I love the touchscreen feature. It's super compact, so I can take it anywhere on the go and not feel like it's too heavy. I changed some light settings. I don't know if that's too dark, but this is my footage off of the camera sitting like on a ring light. So I don't know, maybe this is the perfect amount of light, maybe it's not. Still really getting used to it, but it looks like this light might not be bad. So I don't need a second ring light, at least not this light. So with an umbrella light and the one ring light, I think that lighting looks better because it was looking oversaturated in a sense. So this is like my second or third time filming some footage on this camera because the lighting was off. This is a super popular YouTube camera. I definitely see why. What do you guys think of this quality? Do you think it was worth the money? Because I'm thinking yes. I finally got my dream camera. So happy. You know, it was worth the wait. I definitely waited 1 full year literally because I bought my last camera around this time. Wow. I think the quality looks good though, but yeah, this camera was about $500 including shipping and all of that. I was gonna get it off Amazon, but it was cheaper under Walmart, about $20 cheaper, so you know I was gonna get that. But it really turned out almost the same price because $520, yeah, that's up there. This was definitely more than my EOS Rebel T6, but it's my dream camera and it was worth the wait. Okay, so clearly I have some stuff to learn about my new baby, but for the most part this was an unboxing and just to show you what the footage would look like. I'm gonna come back with an update on about how I like this camera, or I'm not liking it but I love it so far. I do definitely need to do some more research and set my settings up appropriately, but for now I really do love it and it was my dream camera, so I am happy. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.